on. Open the electric control box. Turn on the power supply of electric control box. Go to remote control mode. Connecting the remote control. Start the vehicle. Forward push walk. Accelerator lift. Lower throttle. Push to downloading operation. Pull out the leg bolt. Pull out legs. Insert the latch. Outrigger open. Go to remote control mode. Connect the remote control. The first section of arm lifting. Arms lifting of the second section. The third arm lifting. Arms lifting of the fourth section.